Hi, John Ozzie here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Ashleigh. Ashleigh's been with us from the 8th of March up until the present date, 17th of March 2021. And this is the account from 8th of March up until 12th of March. Ashleigh has achieved a milestone. Ashleigh is now on managing $30,000. And Ashleigh has done this with a total of 219 trades from start date. So looking at when Ashleigh started, we can look at the balance. You can see how the balance has grown from 8th of March down by 500, almost $500 to come up to $1,000.49, $1,000.245, $2,000 and $2,076. The drawdown of Ashleigh has been quite reasonable, down by 3.63% on the 8th of March, 5.51%, 9th of March, and 0.25%. But as we can see, the drawdown, 10% is the maximum of the available balance. And as we can see, the drawdown here, you can see how low Ashleigh's dropped. And we can see the growth as well. 1.1% minus 6.8%. That's just shy of 2.2%, 3.2% of the maximum drawdown. 1.1%, which is great. That's in positive territory. So although Ashleigh was in drawdown, but not in negative territory, so she just lost a bit of he or she just lost a bit of profit. And we can see here the drawdowns in the positive territory. Only at once we're down in the negative territory. Coming down now to this now, looking at the summary, Ashleigh only traded one pair, 116 trades on the pound US dollar, with a total of 512.6 pips, giving us a grand total of $2,563. 103 trades on the short side, and he's down by $487.50, which gives us a grand total of $219, 219 trades, bringing us to 415 pips in total, and we have 2,075.50. This is incorporating the most recent trades because Ashleigh is on $30,000 now, so that's stage 2 of the FTP program. And at present date, Ashleigh is up by $575.50. So we're just $325 short of the target to move on to 60,000, and I see us getting there pretty soon. Looking at the history now of the account, we can see Ashleigh was very consistent. As you can see, 0.50 lot sizes, as you can see, and we're just going to look at a few of the bits of it. And as we can see the consistency, a few moderate losses, but we can still see trades. So we can still see trades going losses and gains. So with trading, as I always say, you can be right or wrong, but always make sure you got a balance of risk to reward, so you can be right or wrong and still be in profit. It doesn't matter. But if you preserve the balance and you got the right risk to reward ratio in place, you're always going to be profitable. And clearly this is a demonstration of the account we're looking at right now. Just trading one pair, and we can see the consistency. And mind you, can we see the lot sizes are very consistent here. So discipline and consistency we definitely see to the end game, end zone. Looking at the monthly analytics, Ashleigh's only been with us for a month and achieved to date a staggering 13.84%, which is achievable. Every trader is unique and different in achieving the 10% goal. Some traders do it with less trades, some people do it with quite a number of significant trades. So it's all down to volume of trading. But what we can see with Ashleigh that is unique is because the lot sizes are consistent. This trader is probably scalping the market, but preserving the balance, which is very important, discipline and consistency, and only traded one pair. So there's not a lot I can say about this trader, because this trader clearly knows what he or she is doing. And at the end of the day, trading should be fun, and clearly the results speak for themselves. So very well done, Ashleigh, and congratulations. You're not far away from going on to the next stage, and I wish you all the best because I'm very impressed you've done all this within a calendar month. So congratulations, Ashleigh. You're doing quite well. And you know the very funny thing, if people can really observe from this account, Ashleigh started on the 8th of March and achieved the goal on the 12th of March. So these are quite a lot of trades, to be honest with you. And in total, we have 222. So, and if you look at the average time Ashleigh's been holding the trades, you can see anything from 2 minutes to 5 minutes to a day on average. You see, they're quite seconds, minutes, seconds. So this is definitely a work of a scalper, but very consistent, discipline and consistency. So what I can say, I can't really say much because you're preserving the balance and doing quite well. I can only recommend you try and focus on higher time frames where you can get in slightly more pips than scalping in and out of the market quite frequently. So it's just a balance of steady growth and a bit of consistency. Identify key market events. Check if the price action is accumulating or being manipulated. Price is trending upwards, downwards, or sideways. Check out for liquidity hunts. Make sure you're not over leveraging and make sure you got the right mindset. And I wish you all the best. Congratulations, Ashleigh, in achieving the goals and the 10% that you've done because this is a very good P&L, and definitely I can see scalping is your form of trading. So for anyone who scalps, this is a good trading account to learn from, but a trader can always be better by developing and improving and developing him or herself. If you head over to the AudaCity community app, you can connect with me where I provide educational content. I provide tips on trading the market, views on trading the market, and look out for my webinars I do quite frequently every month or every other month. Well done, Ashleigh, and congratulations again.